guys, welcome back to my channel. I am GlamPreezy. I know you saw the thumbnail. I know you read the title. Today we are going to be talking about two of the hottest skincare ingredients on the block. That would be niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. I'm going to be showing you how to properly layer them, giving you some of their key benefits and some pro tips to get maximum benefit out of these awesome ingredients. If you want to see why you need to incorporate these two amazing ingredients in your skincare routine, please keep watching. Okay guys, so as I said, I am GlamPreezy. If you are new here, hey girl, welcome in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more skincare and beauty videos. Firstly, I did want to say I am an esthetician, a licensed esthetician of about 15 years, so you are safe here. This is sound advice. We are going to start off with cleansed skin. Today, I cleansed my skin with the Urban Skin RX Clear Skin Cleansing Bar 3-in-1 treatment. The only thing that I have on my skin is a little bit of my eye cream, which is by Good Molecules. This is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Let's start with niacinamide first, you guys. This ingredient changed my skin. I have been suffering from hormonal acne breakouts for like the past 4 years now, and I have been on and off of different products, and niacinamide really changed the game for me. And my go-to product for this is the Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% serum. This serum, along with niacinamide, the ingredient, is for all skin types. I've got a brand new bottle here, so let's open that up. Niacinamide is going to address a myriad of different skin conditions, but I'm going to give you the top 3 that were important to me when looking for a serum. Number 1, it's going to target hyperpigmentation by regulating excess melanin in the skin. It is not an ingredient that is going to lighten your skin by any means, but regulate the pigment in your skin. So that's really going to help with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from acne, hormonal acne, melasma, what have you. All of those are pigment conditions, and this targets that. Secondly, it's going to target breakouts. With that niacinamide and the zinc complex, it is a powerful anti-inflammatory ingredient. This is going to greatly reduce the inflammation in your breakouts, redness, and irritation. And third, it regulates oil production. No, that does not mean if you're dry, you can't use that. It regulates. So that's going to balance your oil production, whether you are super oily, acneic, or even dry. It's a water-based formula, so you really can't go wrong between the two serums in terms of placement, which one goes first. But today I'm going to be using the hyaluronic acid serum first because that is the one that I want to penetrate the deepest. Before I use my serum, I'm going to go ahead and give my skin a nice spritz of hydrating mist. I do highly recommend the Thayer's face mist in the rose petal formulation. That is my OG fave face mist, but today I'm going to be using the Clean Beauty Coconut Water Hibiscus Glow Mist. I love that. It makes me feel like spa every time I do that. Now, it is important to always use your serums on damp skin, you guys. You got to bring water to the party, okay? Another thing that I do want to mention about using these droppers is that you don't want to put them directly onto your face, okay? We want to reduce the chance that bacteria is gonna grow inside of our bottles. If you think you're gonna have a problem with this, put a few drops in your hands and then apply it to your face. Today, I'm gonna be dropping it directly onto my skin, avoiding the tip touching my skin. So I like to just tilt my head back or to the side and drip it directly onto my skin. And you'll know you need to add more if your skin absorbs the serum right away. My skin just drank that up. I think my skin is a little bit dehydrated, so I'm gonna go in with a couple more drops. I really highly recommend listening to your skin when doing your skincare because on different days, your skin is gonna need different things, and that's perfectly fine. And look at that. It's given me a nice healthy glow already. Okay, so I've got a nice glow going already. Second up, we are going to talk about hyaluronic acid. And for that, I'm going to be using the Ordinary as well. And today I'm going to be using their hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. And just in case you were wondering, B5 is panthenol, which is another super hydrating ingredient, okay? So let's talk hyaluronic acid. It is also for all skin types. Hello, especially those whose moisture barrier has been compromised, such as acneic, mature, and sensitive skins. First things first, hyaluronic acid is a very powerful humectant. That means it draws hydration out of the environment and deeper into its molecules. In this particular formulation, they have 3 different weights of hyaluronic acid to drive that hydration deeper into the skin layers. Something you also need to know about hyaluronic acid, it can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water molecules, which is super amazing for the skin. This formulation is going to give you deeper penetration of the product into different layers of the skin. That is one of the reasons why I love this formula, and no, not all hyaluronic acid formulas are created equally. This formula also targets fine lines by plumping up the skin. Again, I want to mention how important it is for you to bring some hydration to the party when you are applying your serums, especially this one. So by you using this on damp skin, it's really going to give you the maximum benefits of this product, okay? You want to remember that hydrated skin is better functioning skin. The other thing that I want to note about this particular formula is that you do not want to overuse this product. Use about 2 to 3 drops at a time to avoid peeling of the product. So my skin is looking beautifully hydrated, but we are not done yet. Another pro tip is that you want to top these beautiful ingredients off with a nice layer of moisture to seal everything in and to drive these ingredients deeper down into your skin. And for that, yeah, you guessed it, I'm gonna be using my organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil from The Ordinary as well. I can't help myself, it's one of my favorite products that I've ever used, so we're definitely going to be going in with this. If you want to know some more expert tips and information on rosehip seed oil and how to properly use it, take a look at my face oil video where I feature this oil and talk all about it. I've linked it above and down below, okay? Again, as usual, it is very important that you apply your moisturizer and or face oil over damp skin. Ideally, if I wasn't doing this video, I would be doing things consecutively while everything was still damp, but because my face has dried out a bit, I'm going to go in with, you guessed it, my face mist again. It's just an enhanced water and you really can't use too much of that stuff. I'm just gonna be using a couple drops of this face oil. We'll do 1 drop there, here, on my big forehead. My skin feels so soft, so smooth, and so hydrated. I bring this all the way down my chest and neck area. Okay, you guys, that's it. Look at this skin. Wow. Reflective, super hydrated. These 2 products are awesome. They are the type of products that when I first started using them about 2 years ago, I bought them with no real expectation of them to change my skin. And 2 years later, I'm still repurchasing these products. I would like to thank The Ordinary for gifting me these products to bring this video to you guys today. Thank you so much. I've also put a link down below to the products. They are super affordable and I think that you should give them a try. Again, they are great for all skin types. If you do try them, please get down in my comments below and let me know what you thought of them. Please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow. And while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up if you learned anything. And until next time, you guys, happy spring.